Okay, so difference between frame, comma, then we want it to be 20, comma 55, comma CV2 dot thresh THRESH binary. Okay, BINARY. Okay guys, so don't confuse. What this line means is it will convert our frame into thresh binary. So what is thresh binary? So it will simply convert the background of our frame window into white color. Okay, it will convert our window into a white color whenever the object come in this whenever the object come in the window. It will show this difference between frame. Okay, after that what we will do is we will create a new count, comma, underscore cv2. I will explain what this is after writing this code. cv2 dot delete, cv2 dot not delete, find find contour, find contours. Okay guys, I forgot one thing. Let's remove this and let's write this hash difference and type cv2 dot delete. I will tell you what this means. Hash difference, comma, none, comma, iterations equals to 2. So what this will do is it will smooth this white and black difference. Okay, it will make this white and black difference more clear. Okay, after that let's create that cnt s, comma, underscore, then cv2 dot find find contours, and we will find these contours in this trace difference, and we want to copy them. That's why we will put here copy, then cv2 dot r e t r return external. It's a method. I will tell you what this means. Then cv2 dot chain approx, not none. We will do it simple. Okay guys, let me explain you what this line will do. It will find the object in this thresh difference. Okay, whenever the object come in this thresh difference, it will find that object and mark that object. Okay, as simple as that. Okay, after that we want a for loop for contour in cnts. Okay, whenever the object come in this cons. Okay, what we want to do is if cv2 dot con counter area is counter, then make it 5000. So what that means, see, not counter, we want to continue it. Let me tell you what this means. So the object whose pixels are less than this 5,000 pixels, it will be captured. Okay, as simple as that. If we do it like here 10,000, it will capture the object whose length is less than 10,000. And if you do here nearly about 1,000, it will capture small objects. But we want only big objects to be captured, that's why we put here 5,000. After that, what we will do is x comma y comma z, not z, width comma h equals to cv2 dot boundary bounding rect counter. So what this means is, guys, these are the width and the height and the object itself, and we have captured it into the counter. We have captured it into a rectangle square. Okay, if you have watched the previous tutorials, only then you will understand what this x, y, w and h is. So make sure you watch that, otherwise you will get confused what I am saying of. After that, guys, cv2 dot rectangle, and here we want to pass the frame comma x plus y, then we want x plus w, then y plus height, and after that we want the color of that to be 0, 55. These are just the color codes. Okay, so don't be confused with it. And after that we want to assign the width. Let's make this time 5. Then whenever the object get detected, we want state s equals to 1. Okay, so